Do you have financial goals that feel more like a wish list than a plan? You know you should be saving and investing for that down payment, a big trip, or retirement, but turning those dreams into concrete, trackable steps can be the hardest part. The good news is, an app like Stash is designed to take the complexity out of this. It gives you the tools you need to not just set a goal, but to actually see your progress every single day. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to use Stash to set and relentlessly track your financial goals, transforming that wish list into a done list. Let's dive into the Stash app. The first step is to clearly define what you're working toward. Stash makes this intuitive. You'll likely see a section dedicated to goals, where you can easily create new ones. Don't just name your goal savings. Get specific. Call it Europe trip in 18 months or $10,000 emergency fund. The key here is the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Stash helps you hit those measurable and time-bound elements by having you enter a target amount and a desired completion date. This simple act turns an abstract idea into a concrete objective. Once your goal is set, the next critical step is powering it with a consistent investment plan. This is where Stash's Auto-Stash feature comes in as your greatest ally. Think of it as putting your goal on autopilot. You can set up recurring transfers, daily, weekly, or monthly, to automatically move money from your bank account right into the investments you've earmarked for that goal. For example, if you need to save $4,000 for your vacation in 1 year, Stash will break that down and show you exactly how much you need to set aside each week. This consistency, often called dollar cost averaging, is proven to be one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Finally, let's talk about tracking, which is essential for staying motivated. On your Stash dashboard, your goals won't just sit there, they'll give you a real-time progress report. You'll see exactly how far along you are toward your target amount and how much time is left. Stash's Money Coach feature can also give you personalized tips and advice to keep you on track or suggest adjustments if you fall behind. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Stash provides the planning, the automation, and the transparent tracking to turn those wishes into reality. Consistent small actions are what lead to big financial wins. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.